Good morning, everybody. It's Swisher Family Farm / Homestead here. Today we're working on what we call our back 40. This is our test area where we're testing out corn, some squash, some zucchini, some beans, potatoes. It's basically our test area for right now. And we wanted to see how they would do in a back-to-eating garden, which is a soil, direct soil, not a raised bed. And so far, I'll tell you what, it turned out pretty good. I haven't added any fertilizer but some 12-12-12 before the initial planting. That is the only thing I've done. So today you're going to get to see me work on. I need to clean up the corn. The corn looks terrible. It's got a lot of weeds. I'm going to get that cleaned up today and hopefully get something accomplished here. You know, trial and error is just one thing that happens when you're in farming. I mean, you're gonna have your good years, you're gonna have your bad years. Last year we kind of got a really late start last year because of you know, having to take care of Amy's mom and, you know, try to help my dad out and stuff, and you know, so we got kind of a late start last year. So last year we don't have a lot of gardening videos because it really wasn't worth doing them, and plus we didn't have, the greenhouse wasn't done yet. You can watch a video for that. Our raised beds weren't done yet. You can watch a video for that. There was a lot of stuff that came in now that we're starting to finally get caught up to be where we want to be. You know, I got the paddocks. Those are done. Thank God. At least 1.5's done. I still got another one to do. I want 3 paddocks. We are going to get some livestock in here, but I wanted the paddocks to be really good paddocks. I wanted to spoil my animals. You know, you can throw hay all you want, you can throw some fescue, all that stuff at your animals all you want, but if you don't give them good green quality feed, grass, clover, then you're not going to have happy animals. And I want happy animals. I don't want to have any problems with having, you know, worm infestations, bad weeds in there. I don't want any of that, so I want to try to keep it up. So when I planted that initial crop, or the initial paddock, I planted it with seed and a lot of clover. Let me tell you, the clover's been a godsend, because not only does it fill in the area, but it also produces the flowers. And we've got red, we've got white, and we've got, I guess it's like a purple clover. And let me tell you, the bees are levitating to it. And then what I do is I let it grow for a little while, and then I cut it down, and the bees go to look for it and find out it's not there, and they move on to the garden and they pollinate the garden. And let me tell you, they have been pollinating the garden, because we've got stuff, man, I'll tell you, wouldn't believe. So I'm gonna get down here and we'll get working on this back 40 and get this done. Hope you guys enjoy it. You know, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get to work. All right, guys, so I got the corn cleaned up. As you can see, looks pretty good to me. It'll do its job. Right there. Just clean some of the weeds out. We got our watermelons over here, and we got our extra squash over there. Watermelons and cantaloupe are doing great. I can't wait. Whew. It is a hot day. All right, so all I have left to do today on the back 40 is what me and my dad started calling it. I don't know why, but all I have to do today is I have to put some 12-12-12 down, get it fertilized with some good nitrogen. I'm gonna go around and fertilize some other stuff too. I know it's for our soil is getting hit pretty hard, not having enough nitrogen. So if your plants start yellowing and the leaves start light green, I would definitely go after some nitrogen for that, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll put down some 12-12. It's a time release, which is great, a granule. It'll do its job. But with that said, guys, I'm done down here. Now I got to go up to the garden and get some stuff done there. And like I said, I'll be fertilizing this with some 12-12-12. So at that point, guys, God bless you. Thanks for watching. Sorry this wasn't that highly of a great video, but hey, you know, you get to see what you have to do on the farm to keep up with the farm. I am working every single day and never stop, 7 days a week. But it's worth it because I love what I do and I love to farm. And who would ever think I go from a restaurant business in 30-some years and I go to farming. I wish I'd been doing this a long time ago, believe it or not. Well, with that said, God bless you guys. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that thumbs up, and that bell for notification. And don't forget, we also have our Facebook page. You guys can go there and join up, be part of the fam. If you're on here, you're already part of the fam. Be part of that family too. And we'll get together, we'll have some discussions, maybe do some live stuff. But at that point, guys, I'm calling it a day. I'll see you later. Till next time.